Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers. Today we've got an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are giving away one of the Fab Fit Fun mystery items that are received in the fall edit sale. So if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. I do want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of October. It is the Natasha Denona Anya palette. It is a $48 palette. This is a full-size 5-pan palette. I love that you can go from daytime to nighttime with this. Love, love, love it. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. List all of them that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. What I have on my eyes today, it is the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. It is an all shimmer palette. I have this one here in the outer corner, this one in the center of the lid, and this one in the inner corner, and this green right here on the lower lash line. So I love FabFitFun. It is kind of a lifestyle box. It has beauty, it has makeup, it has skincare, it has home goods, it has fitness, it has sometimes some clothing, it has kitchen, all sorts of cool things. This winter one that I just did a spoilers on, so if you haven't checked that out, make sure to do so. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49 a season. I do have a code for them that'll bring that down to $39. I'll leave that in the description box down below as well. It's just kind of there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. Obviously, no obligation to do so. If you do use it, then I get some extra bonus points kind of towards any add-ons that I want to do. And this mystery bundle that I did pick up was from the fall edit sale. They have an edit sale kind of about halfway in between their seasonal sales, and I picked up a mystery bundle. The last mystery bundle I got was fantastic from FabFitFun. I think it was the best one yet, so I have really, really high hopes for this one. It is at $29 for the mystery bundle. You're supposed to get over $75 worth of value in it. I do also have some starter boxes to give away from FabFitFun, and how the starter boxes work is give me your name and your email address. I send those off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended for you to get a starter box. And you must not have ever requested a starter box before, and you must not have ever signed up for the FabFitFun service before. This time, FabFitFun does only ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. And all you have to do is pay for shipping, and you basically sign up for the service, and then you do have 21 days to cancel it. But I've had my FabFitFun subscription for years and years and years, a very long time. It is one of my absolute favorite subscriptions. All you have to do is pay for shipping, and you do get a value of at least $75 in there, so it's a really, really good deal. So let's dive in. I've got my notes on my phone to talk about each of the items that are in here. Remember, one of these we're giving away to one of you. So the first thing in here is from Barefoot Scientists. It is the Revitalizing Mineral Scrub Pure Grit. It does retail for $28. And Pure Grit is a gentle exfoliating foot scrub. It deep cleans, buffs away dead skin, and pulls out impurities for soft, radiant skin. It's an all-in-one purification process, cleanses, buffs, and hydrates skin while boosting circulation and releasing a subtle eucalyptic scent for spa-like experience. Icelandic volcanic sand, bentonite clay, and quartz stimulate cell regeneration, and naturally purify by removing accumulated dirt, grime, and toxins, natural oils, and shea butter, restore hydration by fortifying the skin barrier to prevent moisture loss and provide the skin with added protection from harsh elements. While it feels gentle on the skin, the unique mineral content in the scrub works hard to pull out everyday toxins and other impurities. I was noticing today that I was taking a shower, and it was because after I take a shower, I usually try and use about once a week a pumice stone to kind of, because I have really super dry feet, to kind of get in there and work it. So I'm hoping that this one will help with that, because I notice I have a lot of dead skin on my feet. Kind of gross, I know. For me, Lash 33 is the Nourishing Antioxidant Moisturizer for $57. The Mineral Face Moisturizer is formulated with a combination of antioxidants, plant oils, grapeseed, almond, and pomegranate, along with green tea extract, a strong antioxidant containing EGCG to fight free radicals and soothe the skin. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, smooths plumps and retains moisture deep into the skin. Shea butter and Dead Sea minerals. The perfect formula is clinically proven to moisturize your skin. It will protect your skin from harmful environmental stress, keep it firm, fresh, and with a youthful glow. One of the things that Lash is known for is combining kind of the old world type things along with new scientifically proven items as well. For $57, it's kind of a small container. I don't really notice any scent to it. This it feels really, really nice. There might be a slight scent, but nothing that's overbearing or anything like that. So here we have a Lily Pulitzer travel mug. These are retailing for about $35. Look how cute this is. So need to take your coffee or tea to go. Pour it into the printed insulated tumbler. The double stainless steel body keeps the warm, while a clear acrylic lid, it's not clear, but okay, and silicone seal keep it contained. Pour your Lily shift. Grab this mug and you're gorgeous to go. Double wall stainless steel body, the acrylic lid, silicone seal, 30-ounce capacity. So it's kind of the stainless steel on the inside. Here's what your top looks like. And if you do rotate this top, then it does have the spout. I love how it seems like it's a really good seal for you to have it all the way closed so you don't spill anything. Love that. I think this is really, really cute. And it would make a perfect gift for like the holidays coming up, if you don't have something for that somebody. So from Sienna is a set of 6 glass magnets. Sienna glass magnet set of 6 magnets in various designs, including rainbows, sunshine, state of mind, radiant positivity, yes you can, and she believed she could, so she did. The size is about 1.25 across. Colors are pink, orange, blue, red, and white. Super, super cute. So I think you definitely got your monies out of the bundle. There's some things that I am very, very, very excited for. It wasn't as good as the last mystery bundle that I did, because that one was just off the chart good, but it obviously was not the worst by far. It was an okay one. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's do this one as our giveaway for today. Secret word: magnets. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name and that secret word so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. It's BeautyAmaB followed by the letter B. You can follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. So that's 3 extra bonus entries. And what you do is you just mark on your Google form that you did do 1, 2, or 3 of those bonus entries if you want them. But make sure you do, because I do check to make sure that you did actually do them. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through November 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on November 17th, I will take from the Google Forms the first name, first initial of your last name. I'll put that in our kind of spin the wheel that we will do on November 17th. I do a video where we show the computer picking all the winners. I will also put into the computer if you did do those bonus entries. Computer picks it, I don't, so don't ask me to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms, and your privacy is very, very important to me. Nobody else has access to it but me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here, drama-free. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, you guys. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.